How you sort the transmitters on the Sharp TV, what you have to pay attention to, you will find out in today's video. I have a Sharp Google TV here, which is brand new, model 2026, and we want to sort the transmitters with you on this one. And one thing first, this remote control is included. Add this to your Sharp TV and I'll tell you right away, you can forget this remote control, because with this remote control the whole thing doesn't work at all or more badly than right. Because Sharp promised me that anyone who needs such a remote control will get it if you register it, and the whole thing is also fixed. But why doesn't this remote control work? Quite simply, the color keys are missing here. Okay, one or the other says, that doesn't matter, I can hide it, but these color keys then appear over the channels so that you can't sort them. And I'll show you what's meant by that. And to sort the channels, you just have to press the OK key. Then this appeared. And now you have channel management, channel operation, type selection, and favorite down here. But I missed the color keys. And you can do that too, that you get the whole thing displayed here by pressing the OK key here, for example. And now I have channel management, channel operation, and type selection and favorite to be added here. Of course, I don't have these keys on the remote control now. The blue, the yellow, the red, the green. I tried to explain that to you before. That means I would have to press the red key now. I can achieve this by pressing the Xamarin symbol and now going to channels and channel management again. And edit the channel again here. And now I have to go back to red, green, blue and yellow. And here too I have to press the Xamarin symbol again so that the virtual keyboard appears. So it can't get any more complicated. And that's what it looks like. Now I could do this here by pressing it up here, down here. But I go back again. I want to move the channels. If I go to move and now mark a transmitter that I want to move, so press OK. Now press the gear button again so that I get the color keys again. This is what the whole thing looks like now. How should I move my transmitters now if I don't see what I clicked here? That means I could now press the OK key with red and move it, but I can't see where to. And that's why you can forget this key or forget this remote control. As I said, Sharp has promised me that anyone who needs something like this will get one if you write it down. And they are considering adding the normal remote control from home. And it looks like this. Here you also have the color keys and you need them. And if you don't have them, either you buy them from Amazon or you write Sharp on them. Or you do it all on the PC with ChanSort. But now I'll show you how you can sort it with this remote control. And how does the whole thing work with the other remote control? Simply hold the OK key once. Then you have to press the red key here. Then you come directly to the channel management. Here I want to move the channels. Press the OK key. And here I select OK again with the transmitter. Now I select the desired place where I want to have this place, for example. And press the blue key here. If you want to continue, go ahead and the whole thing is done. It works so quickly if you have the right remote control. Of course, you can also do several at once by selecting this transmitter here. Go to the desired place. You do that with the red key. Then it comes up. So here I would have liked to insert this transmitter. Press the blue key. If you want to continue. Let's confirm with continue. And we have already moved the channels here. It takes 2 minutes. We will show you how to do this on the PC. And of course we will create a lot of instructions for you. So get this remote control. We will also link you to the video where you can buy the whole thing. You can sort it really conveniently and have all the keys you need here. Do you have any questions? Use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.